Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first video, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more uploads. So for today's video, I have somewhat of a different kind of video. So for today's video, I have somewhat of a different video. So with making YouTube videos, I use a MacBook Pro 13-inch that I've had for 3 years. And recently I've noticed that it started lagging. So I went ahead and I splurged on a MacBook 15-inch. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about a 15-inch because I have had a 13-inch for the last 3 years. But let's just go ahead and check it out and open the box. So I don't do a lot of unboxings here on my channel, so I have a lash scissors. Let's see if this little scissors could open up this big box. So in the box, there's obviously the MacBook, and yeah, this is pretty big. And it comes with a wire, which looks like the charger, some books that I don't really care about, and papers, and the adapter, which I think goes with the wire. Let's see. This thing was really easy. It looks like there was only 3 things in the box: the actual MacBook, the adapter, and the wire. So that was pretty easy. And now let's go ahead. And so the MacBook that I got is the 15-inch in space gray, and this is the newest one. Looking at it right now, I don't really know how I feel about the 15-inch, but let's just go ahead and, we'll see. And right here it has the touch bar and the open fingerprint. So I think it's just booting up because this is the first it's up, and use it for the next 2 weeks and let you guys know what I think about it, my thoughts on moving from a 13-inch to a 15-inch. But go ahead and let me know, leave me a comment. Let me know if any of you guys have the 13-inch or the 15-inch and which one you actually prefer. And also let me know any pro tips about the new MacBook Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time.